Uh-uh. From accident scene to this place. Does that mean I'm dead? Ah, does that mean I'm dead?
You are welcome to Afterlife.
Eh? Afterlife care. Afterlife. Uh, Please, can I see who is talking to me? All I'm seeing since morning is human skeleton, and none of them is talking to me. Please, can I see who is talking to me face to
No
face?
need of seeing
Can I see who is talking to
me.
me face to face?
Because I am you. I am part of you. I am your guardian's angel.
You are part of me, and you are my guidance angel.
You are welcome to the first sky. We have 6 more ahead. After your graduation from here, you will proceed to the second sky.
Guidance angel, I don't know if you can see the face of the person ahead of me. He is putting on my favorite cloth.
The person you are seeing is you. That is your body, while you are the soul.
Why is he standing over there? He should come to me.
No, and never. You have departed from each other. The body is waiting to be buried, and the burial will happen shortly. And secondly, he is seeking for revenge. Listen attentively. He is talking to you.
Guidance angel, he said I still have more years to live on the surface of the earth. He said I was killed by some group of people untimely. He said the day I was announced that I am the next king of my entire race, I was poisoned by this same set of people. He said their plan is to inherit all my properties, to take over my belongings. They want to marry my wife, and they want to be the father of my children. Guidance angel, he said this same set of people have once woke me up in the middle of the night, that I should go to the middle of busy express road, that I should go and eat with people I did not know. Guidance angel, he said this set of people have sent people to kill me times without number, which I escaped. Guidance angel, this group of people are the one that disconnected the brake of my vehicle, which led to the accident and to the death that brought me here. Guidance angel, when they heard about my death, they were happy. They were busy drinking beer, preparing to execute their evil plan on my properties, my wife, and on my children. Guidance angel, he wants me to go and bring them here for questioning. He said he wants to know the reason why I deserve all this they've done to me. Guardian angel is crying. He's saying revenge, revenge, revenge.
Think of whatsoever you need, and it shall be handed over to you. But remember, you may be sent back by the angel guiding the exit gate the moment the body is laid into the grave. You have a limited time.
Hello, Dad. That is how the dream goes. Ghost is running after you with 2 cutlass in his hand in your dream. Yes, Dad. Did you have hand in his death, ni? No, Dad. Simple question. Did you have hand in his death, ni? You children of nowadays, why are you doing like this? Well, tomorrow I will talk to you. There's always solution to every situation. Hello, Dad.